Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: dropshipping. If you've ever dreamed of starting your own online business with minimal investment, then this video is for you. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to start dropshipping from scratch. So, let's dive right in. Before we get started, let's quickly explain what dropshipping is. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model where you don't need to stock or handle inventory. Instead, you partner with suppliers who handle the product storage, packaging, and shipping for you. This allows you to focus on marketing and customer service. The first step in starting a dropshipping business is finding your niche. A niche is a specific market or product category you want to target. Look for a niche with high demand but low competition. Conduct market research, use tools like Google Trends, and explore social media platforms to identify popular products and trends. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to find reliable suppliers. Look for suppliers who offer a wide range of products, have good reviews, and provide fast shipping. Popular platforms like Oberlo and Spocket are great places to find suppliers. Make sure to communicate and build a strong relationship with your suppliers to ensure smooth operations. To start selling your products, you need an online store. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce make it easy to set up and customize your store. Choose a clean and user-friendly design, optimize your product descriptions, and include high-quality product images. Don't forget to set up secure payment gateways and a reliable shipping method. Now that your store is ready, it's time to focus on marketing. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest are excellent for promoting your products. Create engaging content, run targeted ads, and collaborate with influencers. Additionally, consider optimizing your website for search engines (SEO) to increase organic traffic. As orders start rolling in, it's crucial to stay organized. Most e-commerce platforms provide order management systems to track shipments and handle customer inquiries. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and provide exceptional customer service. Remember, happy customers lead to positive reviews and repeat business. Congratulations, you're now equipped with the basics of starting your own dropshipping business. Remember, success in dropshipping requires consistent effort, continuous learning, and adaptability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more valuable content. Until next time, happy dropshipping!